Good evening, hackers. Good morning, hackers. I think it's like in the morning. It's 12:24 a.m. So I guess that means it's morning, right? So I am Recon Pro Hacker, and we're gonna get down to some learning business. If anybody messages me. By the way, we are just gonna call them a fucking whore. 'Cause I swear to God, I hate when people message me when I'm making a video. But today we're gonna learn ollydbg. DBG standing for debugger, and we're gonna debug a program. No code learning today. We're just going to do straight environment. We're going to learn about tools. So, tools of the trade, ollydbg. Links in the sidebar, www.ollydbg.de is where you're going to get it from. You don't need to install it. You just double click, click run, and voila. I'll talk about the screen really quick. Title bar, menu bar, your little side menu. Main screen, very important screen. It's called CPU. You can get it by clicking the C button. That. Or you can go to View and CPU or Alt C. Okay, so you have CPU. This area is your code area. All your code's going to be displayed here. Your hex dump is just your dump of the executable file, your ASCII version, your registers. We'll talk about registers next video, in the ASM video, and your stack. I guess we can just get down to business. There's two ways to attach to a program. You can attach to it alive. It means it's already running inside your process list, or you can open it with a debugger attached. Small programs such as WinZip, WinRAR, a program you made, you're going to open the program with olly attached. Video games. When we do video game hacking, somewhere down the road, we will be doing live attachments. We'll be attaching to the process and then finding code there. The difference is the information that olly has. I'll give you a quick example. To open a file, let's click the you can go File Open, or we can click the folder. And here I have a program called RAT13. You can choose any program you want. You can make one in C++, but I'm gonna use a program that I made. I'm gonna click Open. First thing you see is the code is popping up in here. You have your stack. No dump yet because it's not done going to the program, and your current registers. When you open a program, it'll always be paused. What's happening is the debugger has opened up the program with an int3 command, int standing for interrupt. You'll need to know, by the time we're done hacking, you'll know int and ret like the back of your hand, and that'll be int being interrupt, ret being return. So we'll click play, and the program is now running, and you see enter message. It means the program has activated or ran. All the modules are loaded. So some quick things, like if you want to know what the program does, maybe you want to know some parameters. I always start at the very top, and here if you scroll all the way up to the top of the code window, you see push EBP, move EBP, ESP. What that's saying is push EBP onto the stack. That'd be on this area. It's storing ESP into EBP, and these two commands, when you see these two commands, you can be sure that a new stack is being saved. EBP is never modified. So what it's done is started a new stack, the program is being executed, and enter message is called. And that would be where you get this. So if you want to know what a program does, I usually right click into the main window, and I usually search for strings. So you can search for all reference strings, and this one doesn't have any, which means it doesn't have any constants, which means that I'm going to try reopening that one. Thank you very much. I'm going to try my version of Ollie. Thank you. Open it up. Red 13. And I'm going to search for artifact string. That's what I wanted. Alright, we have enter message and pause. These are literals. Pause. If you double click pause, it's a system command. You see a call to the system. It's telling the program to stop, cease, cease working, freeze in place, whatever you want to put. And that's pretty much it. The dump area, I'll show you really quickly what that is. Let's enter a message. I'll say recon pro hacker LOL. I'll hit enter. Program gets paused. I wish that bitch would stop messaging me. She's a whore. Everybody's call her whore right now. Tell her to go to hell. So, I'm gonna search the stack for what I just entered. And it could be a while. There we go. And double click. And no, I said double click. No. Right click, and let's follow it into the dump. Which would be follow dump. Seems it doesn't like me. Usually, if you do that, it's supposed to go to the dump, and then you can highlight wherever it is inside this area. But that's really about it. We'll learn the registers, what they are, how to use them tomorrow, and just get Ollie, play around with it, attach the programs. Quick note before I go, attaching to a program, you cannot detach it. If you do, you're going to crash the program. So, for example, let's click play really quick. I just want to search for one thing really quick. I want to find that. I want to find out what it did with my thingy. I guess I erased it. Well, if you just close Ollie, it's going to crash the program. If you close the program, it will tell it terminated. So you just click this button, and it's going to crash. And the program's technically crashed. Done. So it's stuck. You just click that, and okay. So, quick overview, what we learned. We learned how to start Ollie. Double click. Go to run. Open up the process. And to do it alive is the same thing almost. Just double click so that it's already running. And here we have our empty window. Go to File, Attach, and then find it in your process list, and attach. And there you go. The problem with this is it's had to disassemble the program, so it doesn't have as much information yet. And because this program is so simple, it doesn't have enough time to get information. So a lot of the crack me's that you might want to get into, you'd open them up in Ollie. Don't attach Ollie. So that's about it. Hope you guys learned something new. Tomorrow, or next video, should I say, I'll be teaching the registers, and then learning registers is the first step to hacking. So, get out there, get Ollie, have fun, and I shall hack with you later.